Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after items in the art community. The best art philosophy watercolor set available in the market. Whether you're an experienced artist or just starting out, this set promises to elevate your creative journey. Let's explore what makes this set so exceptional. First off, let's talk about what you get in the box. This set from Art Philosophy includes a stunning array of 24 vibrant watercolor shades, each housed in sizable 36 ml tubes. From rich blues to warm yellows and everything in between, these colors are designed to inspire and captivate. What sets this set apart is its high pigment concentration, allowing for intense color payoff with just a small amount of paint. Whether you prefer delicate washes or bold strokes, these watercolors deliver exceptional versatility and control. Moving on to the build quality, the tubes are robust and easy to squeeze, ensuring you can effortlessly dispense just the right amount of paint without wastage. The cap's sealed tightly, preventing any drying out over time, a crucial feature for artists who value longevity in their supplies. One of the standout features of this set is its compatibility with a wide range of surfaces. Whether you're painting on traditional watercolor paper, experimenting on canvas, or even trying your hand at fabric art, these watercolors adapt beautifully to each medium, showcasing their versatility and adaptability. If you're purchasing internationally, do remember to check for voltage compatibility or the need for adapters, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate this set into your creative space, wherever you are in the world. Cleanup is a breeze with these watercolors. Simply rinse your brushes with water. The paints dissolve easily and leave little residue, making post-painting cleanup effortless and quick. In conclusion, the best Art Philosophy watercolor set lives up to its reputation as a must-have for artists of all levels. With its vibrant colors, ease of use, and impeccable quality, it's no surprise why this set has garnered such high praise in the artistic community. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in picking up this fantastic watercolor set, check the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, keep creating and exploring your artistic passions. See you soon.